Hi, I'm Tom Sparke. Welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. Today we've got another great game that you can play on your own or with family and friends. Follow me to the table. Okay, this one I like to call simply the name game. So we've got a pile of notes over here and a pile of cues over here. These ones have names on them. These ones have either nouns or adjectives on them. So we're going to pick one from each. First up, Hank. Second one, grappler. We have a guy called Hank Grappler. What do we think Hank Grappler sounds like? I think he sounds probably like a wrestler. There we go, he's going to be a very big guy. Fit for doing a lot of grappling. So the beauty of this game is you really use your imagination to come up with the characteristics of whatever the name suggests to you. You can use the suggestions that I've got. They'll be in the notes under this video, or you can make up your own. Just pick random words, random names, and it'll work brilliantly. There we go, I think that's Hank for us. Let's do another one. Charlie. And cactus, Charlie Cactus. Okay, let's take this root one. Here's Charlie Cactus. I don't think Hank Grappler would like to grapple with Charlie Cactus too much. Not at all. Pretty spiky guy. Okay, one more. Phyllis. Strong name. Bendy. Good. Phyllis Bendy. Let's see what Phyllis might look like. I'm picturing her an older lady. Phyllis is generally an older name, do you think? Nice earrings on there. Ah, she looks like a Phyllis, but she doesn't look very bendy at the moment, so... Now she's bendy. Phyllis Bendy. See, you can make up all sorts of characters with these sort of games. You can let your imagination run completely wild and have people like Phyllis Bendy. Do use the sheets that I've produced and then move on and use your own. Make up your own ones. Do it with friends. See if you can make each other laugh. Cheers. That is all for today. Please do like and subscribe.